Hi children. In the previous class, we have learned some measures to keep the heart fit and healthy. Today's our topic is yoga exercises for a healthy heart. Yoga plays an important role to keep our heart healthy. Certain yogic exercises help to improve the circulation of blood in the human body. Some of the yogasanas such as Tadasana, Virbhadrasana and Vrikshasana are good for the heart and the circulatory system. Leading an active lifestyle and performing yoga exercises help in keeping the heart healthy. The first picture shows Tadasana, second Virbhadrasana and third Vrikshasana. You can see all these pictures in your textbook, page number 6. We will get so many benefits if we practice yoga every day. The benefits of yoga are increased flexibility, increased muscle strength and tone, improved respiration, energy and vitality, maintaining a balanced metabolism, weight reduction, cardio and circulatory health, improved athletic performance, protection from injury. All these are the benefits of practicing yoga. It is advisable to learn and practice yoga exercises from a trained yoga expert. Yoga promotes physical strength because children learn to use all of their muscles in new ways. As a result of this, single focus to achieve a particular pose or stay balanced, yoga helps children to focus and concentrate in school and get better grades. That's why our schools have started yoga for their students. We have to practice yoga from the school days onwards. Yoga promotes not only physical strength but also to concentrate in studies and to achieve better grades. So we have completed our science chapter 1. I have given you matching as a homework. Now I am giving you the answers of match the following. Let's check your answers and write neatly in the science copy. Answer: artery carries oxygen rich blood. Heart pumps blood in the body. Ventricles, lower chambers of the heart, capillaries, form a network in the organs. Pulmonary artery carries carbon dioxide rich blood. One more homework you have. Find out the answers of exercise 4, page number 9. Thank you. Have a nice day.